Dye natural masks to remove stains, acne, and pimple marks. Our face is very important because it works as a business card. Since it's the first thing that people see, we are judged based on our appearance. Imperfections in the skin, such as pimples and blemishes on the face, are some of the reasons why people are dissatisfied with the way they look. Even though these marks will never be popular, especially among young people, having them is normal. Many young people suffer from low self-esteem due to blemishes and acne. Although they are in the phase where their hormones are being calibrated and often out of balance, some young people become depressed because they are unhappy with their appearance. Therefore, during adolescence, it's important to know how to always control acne, since they keep coming during this period of our lives. In adulthood, with hormones properly balanced, pimples are no longer the biggest problems affecting our complexion. Stains from pollution, a poor diet, stress, or just normal aging begin to change our appearance. Often treatments to remove facial stains are expensive and can cause other damage, so knowing how to remove facial stains safely and naturally is something many grown-ups covet. Let's learn how to do away with pimples and how to remove facial blemishes with a quick and easy way to keep recipe that does not cause damage and uses ingredients that are easy to find. Ingredients: half a glass of water, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, half of the lemon juice, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon of honey. Instructions: mix the apple cider vinegar in the glass of the water, slowly add the baking soda, lemon, and add the juice with the honey to the mixture. Keep in mind that it's important to maintain this order when the mixing elements. Stir the mixture for a few minutes or until uniform.